We are at Plug and Play Seattle Expo, Batch 3. We just accelerated or just graduated 10 more startups from our Seattle Accelerator. That makes 30 startups that we've accelerated since March of 2025.
When we look back at the registration number of Seattle Accelerator Program Expo from 1 to 3, the very first Expo 1 is registered number is 200, and the second Expo is 300. And this time Expo 3, that's 700 people registered this Expo.
I chose to participate in the Plug and Play Seattle program because you guys are the ultimate connectors.
Based on my experience, within a short amount of time and moving quick, we were able to draw pretty much the who's in from a strategic investment standpoint.
We decided to participate in the program because we know how much connection value in enterprise business, and Plug and Play is the magic maker at that.
It's been an amazing ride. Let me call it a roller coaster. The last couple of weeks have passed fairly quickly. Coming here and giving a presentation to such large-scale audience, I think that's something as a founder of an early-stage startup, something you dream of.
Some of the insights that this investor gave us helped us understand how do we differentiate ourselves in terms of what's in the market.
What makes Plug and Play unique is really the people, the ecosystem, and the corporate partners. We can pretty much access anyone we want.
Being able to go find the people that you need to speak with before you even ask for them. Whether you create a wish list or someone knows what creates a 1 + 1 = 5 for you to build your company in any discipline, whether it's like corporate partnerships, investors, collaborators, they're the best people to do it.
Plug and Play can help sourcing the good technologies to us. The creation of the networking and meeting people around, that's really a good stuff. Those batches that Plug and Play brings, it's really facilitate those new ideas coming from us.
But thanks to the Seattle Acceleration Program by Plug and Play, we are so easy to get connected with great founders, venture capital, and then corporate partners.